In the last two videos, we solved problems on principal planes and principal stresses. Now let us solve one more problem on these principal planes. If we see the problem, it is given like direct stresses of 120 Newton per mm square tensile force and 90 Newton per mm square compressive force exist on two perpendicular planes at a certain point in a body. They are also accompanied by a shear stress, and the greatest principal stress at a point due to this is 150 Newton per mm square. So here they gave two direct stresses 120 Newton per mm square and 90 Newton per mm square, which are tensile and compressive in nature, and they didn't give any value of tau, but they provided the principal stress value, which is 150 Newton per mm square. So from this, what we need to find is the magnitude of the shearing stress on the two planes and as well as the maximum shearing stress value. So let us see the given data here. First, we will be given with sigma 1, which is 120 Newton per mm square, and sigma 2, which is 90 Newton per mm square, and principal stress sigma n major. So tau value we don't know, and we need to find the value of tau, and we also supposed to find the value of sigma t max. First, let us find the value of tau with the help of sigma n major. So we know the value of sigma n major is equal to sigma 1 plus sigma 2 by 2 plus under the root of sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2 whole square plus tau square. Implement the values here and we will get the value of tau. So here sigma n major is 150 equal to 120 plus minus 90 since it is a compressive stress by 2 plus under the root of 120 minus of minus 90 by 2 whole square plus tau square. So which is equals to 150 equal to 15 plus under the root of 105 square plus tau square. If we simplify this, we will get the value of tau as 84.85 Newton per mm square. So we got the value of tau. Now we had the values of sigma 1, sigma 2 and tau. From this we can find the value of maximum shearing stress, which is equal to half into under the root of sigma 1 minus sigma 2 whole square plus 4 tau square. So here we have values of sigma 1 as 120 Newton per mm square and sigma 2 as 90 Newton per mm square, which is compressive, and tau as 84.85 Newton per mm square. Consider these values in this equation to get the value of maximum shearing stress. So half into 120 minus 90 whole square plus 4 into 84.85 whole square. So we will get it 135 Newton per mm square. So this is the maximum value of the shearing stress. So if we recap it, we got the value of tau, which is shearing stress, from major principal stress. Then we found the value of maximum shearing stress. That's it for now. See you in the next video with graphical methods. Thank you.